Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you all like this one. It's something new. Forget the fact that I'm dressed and stuff like that. What it was when I was doing the filming, I had to keep cutting in and out. So there's a few times on the video I'll say thank you for watching, like, comment and subscribe. It isn't the end. Just keep watching till the end. I had to add this bit in the beginning because of the way things changed, as you'll see in the video. So disregard any parts of it where I say that's the end and that. Just keep watching it all the way through. So that'll come into there now. Hello and welcome to Project Caravan. This is going to be very quick because I need to get the caravan back because it's just about to start raining and I need to get everything sorted. So I'll go for a little look around the caravan, see if we get the car prepped first. Naturally, I need to get the tone ball off, the electrics protector, see, always keep them clean, always, and never put any grease on them. I've already got the plug filled with silicone grease so it doesn't get any water ingress on it. Open the boot, stay. Got the two helpers with it today, as you can see, so that's going to get put there out the way. And here we are, Project Caravan. Let's have a little quick walk around. No damage. Need to get the wheel clamp off. Need to get the blocks of wood put back in the front. Sorry if I'm rushing around this year because this has stood all winter and I'm really impressed with how well it's kept. So I'm going to crack on, get the hitch lock off, get everything off, and I'll have a quick look inside the car. That's another reason why I want to get it sorted. Get the hitch cover off, get all the legs up. Hopefully the motor mover has got some power left in it to get it to the car. If not, we're going to have to do some reversing. So there we go, wheel clamp off, need to take the hitch lock off. It's a simple case, you just put the key in, pull the pin, there we go. This side slides out, lift this up, and out drops your tow hitch, the locking ball. So there, good bit of security, you need that on modern caravans. Just open the door, and this bulldog wheel clamp was great on my L200. I used to put this on it all the time. Doesn't look much, but trust us, that doesn't half weigh a ton. So that's everything now. Let's go around. Need to get the legs up, get the blocks under. They'll be fine for now. It's only going a couple of miles up the road. I'll check them when I get home. The other one, yeah. So we'll get the legs up and I'll get back to you. So welcome to inside the caravan. I forgot, I've got all these units to put down. Things to sort of at the tone mirrors to put on the car. But for now, we're going to go around and do the legs and check to see if I can get the motor mover working. If not, the battery will be flat. We'll be in a bit of bother. So I'll get back to you very soon. Actually, one big cock up on my... We will not put the legs up because we need to walk around inside the caravan to close everything. Otherwise, everything's going to fall all over. And if I do the stands, the caravan's going to fall on its arse end. Things like that. The fridge I left wedged open with my shower shoes. Shut the fridge, use my special tool which saved me £50, which the caravan company wants £50 for this lock. I just simply use the wall plug, put it in, that fridge will not open. So we'll go around, shut all these, and I'll get back to you. Doesn't that look better already? I have all that like that, by the way, in case anybody asks, to let the air circulate in the caravan so things don't get damp. These have just been chucked into place, everything down. That's secure, that's secure. This door needs closed at the bathroom. As you can see, in the bathroom, get all the units and that closed, ready for towing. Doors. Shower on the catch. I'll go around better at the caravan when I've got it home. For now, I'm just checking that everything is ready for towing. Nothing's going to fall over. The only thing I need to do is move this step and shut this door. There we go, and I've just found my baby has still got charge in it. Anybody mess on with these things? Wind with the legs? Nah, get yourself an impact driver. High torque, that does not save you some time. So, we'll get the legs done with those, and I'll come back to you. We just need to engage the motor mover, so you simply pull that lever, and as you can see, that unit there touches the wheel. One hard push. There we go. Now it's engaged, but I'm not certain that this is going to work because I think the battery will be flat. So now on to the fun bit. Wind. No. That don't half save your time, does it? Right, we'll go on with the other 4. Done in 30 seconds. I still like to go around with the bar for the final bit, just to nip them up. But yeah, that's it. Doesn't half save some time. So, we'll go out now and check them all. Collect the chocks of wood from under the stands. You can release the handbrake when you've got the motor mover on, because it won't go anywhere. Now we need to connect the battery and see if it works. Open up the battery box. I hope there's some charge left in this. Put the isolator in. Always worth leaving them disconnected. Just push that shut and we shall see. My biggest fear now is the remote is flat, whatever I've done with it. Let's find it. There it is. Let's see if we've got any power. Yes. Let's see if the battery's dead. It's not sounding promising because there's no beep. Nope, looks like the battery, as suspected, is completely dead. So now we're going to have to do it the manual way and back the car up to it. Tone mirrors on. Bloody annoying things they are. In fact, this year I think I'm going to upgrade to some better ones. Do my head in. I've marked them left and right as well. Little bit peed off that the motor mover's flat, so I'm going to for now try and angle the car in from that angle, so hopefully I can just tow it straight out. So I'll get back to you. Oh yeah, and chocks away. And before disconnecting the motor mover, always remember to put the handbrake back on. Otherwise the Caravan will go walkabouts. I'm going to hook the car up, then we're going to go to the office and sign the Caravan out. Right, so we're going to do a bit of manoeuvring here. I can't really show too much because I'm having to concentrate. We're going to back up to the Caravan as best as we can, but I need to get at a better angle. So, reverse into here, try not to hit nothing. Onto the way out. And see what happens here, because I've become very lazy with the motor mover. Right, let's do some reversing. I'm sorry, but I'm having to hold this and try and concentrate at the same time. Not bad for my first attempt there. HGV driver, professional. Little tiny bit more back and we should be more or less in line. Let's get hooked up. First time, well happy with that. So what we need to do is wind the jockey wheel down. It's a nightmare with this car because with it being having such a high back end for getting it lined up. So just wind it down, and that little green peg, as it lowers down, should, in theory, pop up. Just like that. Now you know it's properly connected. Always double check. Wind the jockey wheel up. Wind the jockey wheel up so it comes into this point here. Once it's tight, release the lock, pull it up so it's out the way, as so, and then relock it. Oh, I've just realised I haven't even been recording that. So yeah, that's the jockey wheel locked out of the way. Pull this down, which is the anti-sway device, so that's into the green on the black dot. Most important part, please do not ever forget this, your breakaway cable. Plug the electrics in, handbrake off, then we'll check the lights. Don't be tempted to wrap your breakaway cable around your tow ball because it would just slip straight off of the Caravan. Every good quality tow hitch should have one of these on it, like that. That's connected up. Now, just put the towing electrics in. That's it, towing electrics in. This one for the internal electrics in the Caravan, pushed away, hitch on, handbrake off. There we go. Always check breakaway cable, tow hitch on correctly, electrics, jockey wheel out the way, key points. Now we'll go around and check the lights. Moment of truth, will all the lighting system be knackered? Start the car up first. Don't want a flat battery. Where's the hazards? Come on, Daniel. On here. Hazards on. Side lights on. Fog lights on. Let's go and check. Good sign straight away. Both marker lights working. Happy days. Not that we're going to be towing in the dark. I did all these last year. Top marker light on. Other marker light on. Indicators, side lights, fog lights. Indicator, side light, fog lights. Number plate lights. Yeah, see, that's why you service everything. This is stood for 6 months and everything's working perfectly. The only one I can't check is the brake lights, but we'll just assume they're working. It's only a 2 mile journey. So I'm going to leave that video there. Let us know if you enjoyed it. It was very much rushed, but I can't help it. I need to get away. I'm actually still at work. I've still got them springs to fit to the Astra. So we'll get this thing away. I'll let you know what things are like when we get home. I've got a good enough angle to get out of here. So I'm going to have 1 minute last walk round without the phone. Concentrate. It's important. Safety things. But by the looks of it, we're all set to go. Just providing that the brakes aren't seized on, which could cause problems. So there we go. I'll keep this as a separate one. Please, if you enjoy this kind of stuff with the Caravan, leave a comment, hit the like button. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's see how we've done. Have we getting out in one piece? Yes. Lovely. I'll add this one into the main video. I am mega impressed with that car. To see it stood for 6 months. It tows that Caravan like there is nothing on the back. I swear to God, it drives no different at all. Not a squeak, not a rattle. And luckily the Caravan as well didn't have any issues either. So mega impressed with this. Just great. So I'm going to get the electrics now hooked up, get enough charge into the battery so we can get the Caravan onto the drive. So now we're going to put the security lock on. Obviously you don't need this ball because the car is acting as the tow ball, so you just simply need to add this bit on so that it's officially connected to the car. I mean, I know somebody could unbolt that, but I'm going to put the wheel clamp on as well. So we'll put that on. Towed mirrors off because I won't really be towing it anywhere. Like I say, hopefully in the morning when it's charged, get the motor mover on, get it put up into that position there, get it cleaned, job done. So yeah, mega impressed. Honestly, if you're going to tow, get a proper car, because these things, this Mercedes, when you've got this Caravan which weighs 1.5 tons, probably more on the back, nothing, no difference in power. Hit a hill, hit the brakes, you don't even know what's on the back, apart from the odd rattle, clunk, or when the brake piston pushes in to apply the Caravan brakes. So yeah, just thought I would add that little bit on. No problems, got home problem free. Catch you later, bye. Welcome back to a short video. Absolute rookie mistake at the Caravan site at the storage yard. I was pressing the button and there was no beep. Do you know why? Safety function, you're meant to press it twice. Damn. All that time wasted. The battery was charged and it is working, and I just totally forgot you had to press it twice. So we're going to move the Caravan forward a little bit, and then we're going to just reverse it on the drive overnight. Better than being on the road. Let's see what happens. Right, so now we've moved it forward. We just need the motor mover to move it back. So theoretically, I just need to press this button twice. Will it move back or will it not? Yes, it will. Easy as that. Believe me, you can't do that without having a few men to help you with it. Right, so you need to turn it a bit. As you can see, so just be careful with that jockey wheel. Just ever so gently ease it down. Just like that. So here we go, we're just getting into position, a bit more. Then start taking it back. See, this is why, because it won't get up them tight curbs. I'm putting it on like this for the moment because I want to get a jet wash tomorrow, so I've got access to the Caravan all round. I can't believe that battery has not been charged for 6 months and it's managing to pull 1.5 tons of Caravan up my drive, and it doesn't look that way, but it has got quite a steep gradient on it, believe me, it has. So just taking it back, nice and easy. Just need to adjust it a bit so it doesn't catch the porch. The other way, as you can see, just with that, just so it's clear of the porch. Take it back furthermore, keeping it going. It is struggling, the battery will be low. Just adjust it a bit more. There we go, take it back at that. It does tend to take itself towards the porch a little bit, but there's nothing I can do. Edge it a bit more. The other way. So there we go, I'm happy with that. Like I said, it will be going here, but I want to get the jet wash round it tomorrow so it's not blocked in, so I'll clear of the path. Much prefer that it's like that, to be quite honest. So there we go. There's my Friday afternoon. And as you can see, it normally comes right up flat back to here, but we'll get the battery charged, we'll get it washed. As you can see, a bit closer. I think I'll put the stands down for tonight in case it swings and catches the house. But there we go. Happy days. We'll just get the Mercedes now moved in front of it, stop anybody nicking it as well. So there we go. What did you think of that? Tell you what, mind, it would take at least 3 or 4 strong men to be able to sort that out. I'll tell you that for a fact. So, 2 seconds, this thing's just going berserk. There we go, just a motor mover telling us it's going to shut down. So yeah, there we go, we're going to get this chocked up, stands down. What do you think? I'm going to add this in, it'll just be in the middle of the video, it'll randomly cut in, but I'm not going to do separate ones. So, this might be the 2nd or 3rd time you've heard us say this. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, leave a comment. If not, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. There'll be more of this to come. Let us know, do you want to see when we get away on caravan sites? May not be able to record if we're right next to other residents, but I'll catch you soon. Thank you. Bye.